A great soundbite resonates. It's one that people will remember. Make sure there's a wow factor in it. The wow factor can range from being declarative, like, I demand, or it could be assertive, I will not let that happen. Or it could have the emotional component that I keep talking about. This has caught me by surprise and I'm outraged. And use your time wisely during the interview. If there's one soundbite or talking point that you want to make sure you get heard, well, don't be afraid to repeat it. Prepare and practice your delivery as well. The pace and tone in which you deliver the message can have as much impact as the words you say. Remember, a compelling soundbite can have a huge payoff when a vast audience hears your message.